Hello guys, this
This is
is
a Jaguko fabric cover button machine. In case you don't know what a cover button is, I will put a picture on the screen so that you can know what a cover button is. So without further ado, um, let's unbox this together. So let me just cut this so that you can know what exactly is inside. I actually purchased this because so many times that I need to like make a cover button, make cover button if I'm making a suit. Most of the time for a suit, I will have to like get a dispatch rider to go to somewhere to go and take my fabric and bring the buttons. So I've did that several times only to figure out that this thing is not expensive. So I decided to buy it. So this is what we have inside. You can see just a carton, a piece of carton with the presser foot itself. It only comes with a single presser foot. Actually, you can see that. So we are going to like arrange this together so you can know the process. On another video, I will show you guys how to actually use the cover button to make a button itself. But this is just an unboxing and how to actually assemble um or the machine itself. So here is the machine itself from the nylon. It's just a little bit heavier because it's made of metal, as you can see. So those old right there is what you're going to like use to like hold it down to the table. So this is the handle, as you can see right in my hand. In order to fix the handle, all you just have to do is just to unbolt that bolt right there. I'm going to loosen it. I'm going to loosen it so I can put the handle inside. Then I'm going to like knot it back. So just like that, our cover button is our cover button machine is almost ready. So and I also bought the cover button itself actually. So this is what it looks like. So I purchased the button. There's two buttons that are very common when it comes to making a male outfit, which are two sizes, and I only purchased the two sizes. There are different ones. This one is a size 14. I purchased. Let me focus so that you can see. Okay. So this one is a size 14, and there's another one. The second one I bought is a size 12. So it has both the button cover itself and the thread holder. So let me open this up so you can see what is inside. You can see what we have. This one will usually come in two color, gold and silver. So I only see silver, that's why I will still be ordering for the gold thread holder. You can see this is the one that usually hold the thread so you can tack it to the fabric itself. So I bought size 14 and size 12 actually. So the 12 is a little bit smaller. If you're making for a female or you're using a female cover button, they usually go for bigger size, different sizes. There are different sizes, even like size 22 upward. So on this one, I'll be inputting the button, the presser, the foot on it. So in order to actually do that, let me show you the picture of it on the carton itself. It does not come with a manual or anything. That's a downside. So look at the picture. So the one with the elastic rubber will be the one at the top. So I'm just going to follow that process. And I'm going to put it inside. You can see that. It's very simple. Let me focus. Okay, so it's focused now. You can see that. So on the other one, I'll be putting it under this one also. As you can see. So I'm just going to unscrew that bolt at that side also. I'm going to unscrew that side. So I can put it from under the machine. You can see what I just did. So if you purchase this machine, actually you can just follow this video to actually activate and to actually couple it together. During the next video, I'll show you guys how to just how to how to use it to like make a cover button itself. So I'm going to take a screwdriver to screw in that nut. So I'm just going to screw it in. So I bought an extra 2 button covers. It only comes with that one, so I bought an extra 2. The 2 are for the different sizes that I purchased actually. So here is what that one looks like. You can see. So I'll be showing you guys how to actually use this on another video. So that is about it on this video. Just an introduction to a cover button. I only used this once sometimes ago. I've never used it since then. So I have to like refresh my brain on how to do it and how to use it. So we'll be making a lot of work on this one. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're yet to subscribe, subscribe. Peace. And I will see you in our next video.